Christmas competition. It was Christmas Day. Gattu, Chinky and all the children of the society gathered together. Chairman of the society was addressing the children.
Children, Merry Christmas to you all. As we have decided, today we have a Christmas tree decoration competition. All the children of the society will participate in it and showcase their talent. He will win the prize whose Christmas tree will be the most beautiful. Are you ready?
Yes!
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir!
Then get set, go!
All the children got up and rushed towards their home. Gattu, Chinky reached their home and told their father,
Papa, give us some money.
"Take it. It's for you." Gattu, Chinky got annoyed at such an amount.
What's this, Papa? Such a meager amount. It won't work. Give some more money, Papa. We have to win the competition by hook or crook and sign your name.
"Oh, my soldiers, I was joking. Take some more amount." Papa gave them more money and Gattu, Chinky was very pleased. "How's the Josh?
Hi, sir!
What are you waiting for? Run!" Gattu, Chinky rushed out and reached the market with the other children of the society. Due to Christmas, there was plenty of rush. Wearing new dresses, people had come for shopping. After reaching there, children started to collect the things of the decoration. Gattu and Chinky was purchasing their goods when the two poor children from the slum came to that shop.
Hey, get away!
Brother, today is Christmas. At least have some mercy today. At least give some food.
Will you go and have a thresh?
Threatened by the shopkeeper, the children ran away. Gattu was moved with mercy as his attention was drawn towards the fleet children. Shopkeeper was asking something.
Yes, my child, what shall I give?
Bro,
Gattu was still looking at the children.
bro, he is asking you something.
"What do you want, my child?"
Give the dress for Santa.
Gattu, Chinky came out after buying Santa's dress. Chinky was angry.
We had to buy goods for decoration. What shall we do with Santa's dress? Chinky, do you see those poor children? We are thinking of competition, but their concern is hunger. What are you planning for? We cannot win this competition, but I bet we can surely win the hearts of the poor children.
All the children of the society were busy in decorating their Christmas tree. Here, Mummy Papa of Gattu and Chinky was waiting for them, but they didn't return to home. In the grab of Santa, they were sharing the joy with the poor children of the slum.
Santa, for me chocolate. Santa, give me balloons. Santa, bread for me. Arey, yes. Be patient. Everyone will get everything. Santa is doing his job. Have patience. Here is your balloon.
Evening came down. The whole society was visiting the exhibition of differently decorated Christmas trees. All the children were happy. Gattu and Chinky were standing beside their parents. As the result is to be declared, the chairman said,
I appreciate your talent and Christmas tree decoration of all the children. All the children of the society participated in it, except Gattu and Chinky. Anyway, everyone's Christmas tree is worthy for prize. But the prize for the best decoration goes to Bunty. A huge applause for Bunty.
The whole society applauded Bunty. Bunty stood up when the chairman said,
Bunty will be surely honored. But before that, I shall invite Gattu, Chinky and their parents on the stage.
Learning this, everyone present there was astonished. Gattu and Chinky came on the stage along with their parent.
You may feel why I have called them. They were not even the part of the competition. Friends, today at noon, they had gone for shopping, but didn't return. And when we went to search for them, we came to know about the whole story from the shopkeeper. We went to slum and found dressed as Santa, Gattu, Chinky were celebrating their Christmas with the poor children. Huge round of applause for them.
Listening so, the whole society applauded them. Overwhelmed with emotion, Papa of Gattu and Chinky said, Today my children were telling that they will make me famous by winning the competition, but they have really shown my name by winning the hearts of the poor children. Papa could not speak further. He embraced Gattu and Chinky. Mama burst out tears. Watching the scene, the whole society gave them a standing ovation.